Hello students, today we are going to start Unit 1, Class 4, Chapter number 3, Crossing the Arabian Desert. So here the characters are narrator, man and the old man. Narrator. So this is a kind of script. This chapter is kind of script. Narrator says, once upon a time there was a man crossing the Arabian desert. So he says, there was a time when there was a man crossing the Arabian desert. Man, I have been traveling for so long, I need to find a place to rest. The man says that I have been traveling so long and now I am very tired and I need to find a place so that I can rest. Narrator, suddenly he saw a cave, and when he entered the cave, he found an old man inside. And suddenly he saw a cave. Cave means a barren. Cave means you can say a natural hollow place. It is a kind of hollow place where a person can rest. And as soon as he entered the cave, he found an old man inside. Old man, come in and rest for a while. Man, thank you. Good man, it's been a long day. Man, I want to cross the desert. Old man, it will be hard to, you know that? The old man says that it will be very hard to cross the desert. Yes, it's been hard already. Now, we'll come with the next page. Old man, let me give you an advice. To cross the desert, you will need 3 things. Then the man says that what 3 things? Old man, take these 3 stones. Narrator, the man took the 3 stones. Man, they are beautiful. Is this a topaz? Old man, yes it is. It means faith. It is yellow like the desert sand. Man, what about the other 2? The old man, this is an emerald. It means hope. It is green like palm leaves. Man, I like the red one. Old man, this is a ruby. It means charity. It's red like the west sun. You should always walk to the south where you will find an oasis. Okay? There you will be very happy, but don't ever lose the stones. Means he gave him the 3 stones, that is of faith, hope and charity. Signifies these 3 major mantras so that he will be able to cross the desert with the help of this. Now man, what if I lose them? Old man, you will not reach your destiny. Now we will be coming off to the next page. Man, I appreciate your gift and I will too, as you say. I will leave tomorrow morning. Narrator, the next day the man started his journey again. He traveled miles and miles on his camel through the desert. One day, he thought, man, what if that old man tricked me? What if there isn't the oasis he promised me? This desert seemed endless. Then he felt something falling from his pocket. The topaz, I have to pick it up. No, I have to trust in what the old man said and I will keep walking. The man decided to pick it up and trust the old man, and he kept on walking. After a few days where the harshness had weakened him, he was about to give up when again he felt something falling from his pocket. It was emerald stone and he thought, I have to be strong and calm down. Maybe the oasis is near. I have to keep traveling and if not, I'm sure I will die. Narrator, so he kept on walking until he found a water puddle near a palm tree. He was about to get into the water when he looked at the camel's eyes. Oh, you are also thirsty. Come here, drink some water. I can still resist. The man asked the camel to come and drink some water. The camel drank some water and suddenly he died. What's wrong? Oh, I see, the water is poison. The water was poison, therefore, as soon as the camel has drunk the water, he died. Then he saw something sparkling in the sand. It was the ruby. Okay, ruby was there in the sand. I have to pick it up. And then he looked up to the sky. Now we'll turn the next page. Man, thank you God for keeping me alive. While he was looking up to the sky, he saw some palm trees. The oasis, I have to go there. When he reached the oasis, he found the old man near the clean water. Old man, you have reached the oasis because you have kept the three precious stones: faith, hope, and charity. If you hadn't kept them, you will be dead by now. Thank you for giving me these stones, and that kept me safe. Now the man thanked the old man for keeping them, for giving them that stones, and they have kept him safe. Always keep these three stones in your heart, and when the time comes to leave this world, you will go to paradise. Don't ever lose them. The man advised them that we always have to keep these three stones in our heart, because whenever we want to achieve success, we need to believe in ourselves. We have to keep faith in ourselves. We have to be hopeful that we can and we will, and we should always give charity. Narrator: and suddenly the old man disappeared. Now we will be coming off to the exercises. Have you ever visited a desert? If you have visited, then you will write yes. If not, then no. Name any three precious stones. You can write ruby, emerald, and etc. Then do the rest on your own. Now once, tick the correct answer. Once a man was crossing the Arabian desert, so you will put a tick mark over here. Then he saw an old man in the cave. Then you will put a tick mark over here and do the rest on your own. There was a man crossing the Arabian desert, so you will write Arabian in this blank. To cross the desert, you will need three things. That is three stones. It is yellow like the, you can see, it is yellow like the desert sand. Now do the rest on your own. Come in and rest for a while. This is who said to whom? The old man said to the man. I want to cross the desert, the man said to the old man. And in this way you can do the rest on your own. Which desert was the man crossing? The man was crossing the Arabian desert. What happened when he saw a cave? He suddenly enters a cave and he saw an old man there. And do the rest on your own. Thank you.